And if you're hitting the roads, you won't see as much construction. Major projects in the state will temporarily shut down because of the expected holiday traffic. The DOT says they will stop at noon on Friday and will not start up again until 6 a.m. Tuesday morning.
And you'll soon see 70-mile-per-hour signs on hundreds of miles of interstate in Wisconsin. I've stepped over to the breaking news desk where Tim is following this developing story out of the state capitol. Tim.
Yeah, Patrick, Governor Walker signed that higher speed limit bill into law, but don't put the pedal to the metal just yet. It won't be the top speed everywhere. The DOT will select specific sections of interstates and highways. You can find the initial list of highways that will have that 70 miles per hour speed limit on our website. Just check out WISN.com. Now, here are the main two stretches in our area that are increasing to 70 miles per hour. I-94 towards Madison and 94 after Milwaukee County towards Illinois. Crews will be putting up 470 new speed limit signs over the next several months. Keep in mind that the speed limit will not be higher until it's posted.